If you're looking for a quick and easy way to set up course or workshop registration using forms, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it without fluff, so you can start collecting signups today. And if you stick around, I'll show you a smart trick that can save you hours of setup time. Now, I've tested all the big name form builders out there, from the overly complex ones to the ones that promise simplicity but fall short. The software we're using today hits the sweet spot between power and ease of use. And if you want to follow along step by step, there's an exclusive free trial in the description, only for Dan Thorne's viewers. Let's dive right in. First, open the software and click Create New Form. Start with a blank form or use a registration template if the software offers it. It'll save you time. Give your form a clear title like Course Registration or Workshop Sign-up. Next, add basic fields, full name, email, and phone number. These are the essentials for following up and confirming attendance. Then, add a drop-down or multiple choice field to let attendees choose their preferred date or session if you offer multiple times. If it's a paid course, add a payment field. Many form tools integrate directly with Stripe or PayPal, so you can accept payment right inside the form. Now, this is where many people mess up: confirmation and follow-up. Under Settings, enable an automatic confirmation email. Thank them for registering, include key info like date and time, and maybe even a calendar invite link. Then, go to Notifications and set it to notify you or your team every time someone registers. This keeps you in the loop instantly. For workshop registration forms that involve limited spots, turn on response limits so the form stops accepting entries once it's full. This avoids awkward overbooking issues. If you want to collect additional info, like dietary restrictions for in-person events or experience level, add short answer fields. Keep it concise, don't overload the form. Once your form is ready, embed it on your website or share it via a direct link. Most form software gives you both options. Before you go live, test the form yourself. Fill it out, check the confirmation email, and make sure everything flows the way your users will experience it. Quick recap: create the form, add basic fields, customize session options and payment if needed, set up confirmation emails and internal notifications, apply response limits if needed, test it, then you're good to go. The key takeaway: using forms for course or workshop registration doesn't have to be complicated. The right software makes the process fast, organized, and scalable, so you can focus on delivering value, not chasing down signups. And don't forget, if you want to skip the trial and error and use the same software I recommend, grab the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's only for viewers of this channel. That's it. Simple, fast, and ready to use. Thanks for watching.